Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make chocolate pudding. It's so smooth and rich. If you love chocolate desserts, I think you're gonna love it. When we think about chocolate pudding, in the States, we usually think of chocolate pudding made with saucepan, like pastry cream. But there are so many kinds of chocolate pudding: baked chocolate pudding, no-bake chocolate pudding. So today I'm gonna share my favorite baked chocolate pudding. So as a very first thing, let's melt chocolate. Use dark chocolate. Today I'm using dark chocolate with 60% cacao content. I like the percentage. It's not too bitter or not too sweet. So we're gonna heat it up with water bath. And at the same time, around this time, start heating water, plenty of water. We are going to bake the chocolate pudding with water bath. And next, we're gonna heat all the liquids. Hot milk goes in, heavy cream, vanilla beans. So if you cannot get vanilla beans, you can use vanilla extract instead. Cut the middle and then open it up, and there are lots of seeds inside. So with the back of the knife, scrape it off. And this contains flavor also. Add it in the pot as well. And now let's heat it up. Okay, and here is the chocolate. Let's mix quick. And this is not a lot of amount, so it's gonna start simmering really quickly. So as you can see, as soon as it started simmering like this all over, you can remove from the heat. Okay, chocolate is done. Make sure that it's melted completely. And this is not a must, but I usually like to set aside the heated liquids for about 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it with the lid, or I usually like to place the chocolate on top like this. And now we're gonna mix eggs and sugar. There's no need to whip eggs at this point. Ensure they are evenly blended. Now add sugar and quickly mix. Okay. And again, you don't have to whip, just stop when they're combined. Okay, wipe the bottom. And now we're gonna add just a little bit of hot liquids to eggs and then mix. Right, slowly add all the liquids. Okay, and mix. Add a little bit first and mix until well combined. And be careful not to mix it fast. Make sure that they're evenly blended. Next, add a little bit of hot liquids again and mix. Some melted chocolate is attached to the lava spatula, so I'm gonna scrape that off. Now we add the remaining liquids. Now the final mix. Just check and see if everything is evenly blended. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to strain it. Don't forget to scrape off the bottom of the sieve. Okay, it's already done. It's so easy to make. Now we're going to divide it in cups. Give it a quick mix before you pour. Make it shallower if you want to bake them quicker, because the thicker that is, the more it takes time to bake the pudding. Today I'm gonna do 4 cups. So I did 95 grams each. And I don't see a lot today, but if you see lots of air bubbles on the surface, you can use a torch to quickly pop them. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna bake them. Today I'm gonna use baking pan. This is also not a must, but I'm going to place kitchen paper on the bottom just so that the heat is going to get delivered a little bit more gentle. Okay, and then place them. So let's move this slowly to the oven and pour hot water very slowly. If you add fast, the water can spill on top of the filling. Okay, I think it's good. Oh yes, this is done. So slowly move this so that we're not gonna spill the hot water on the filling. It's hot, so be careful and wear gloves if you need to. So now all we have to do is wait until they are chilled completely. And right now they are very hot, so I'm gonna wait a little bit before moving into the fridge. And as soon as they are chilled, you can enjoy them, which usually takes about a few hours. You can also wait a half day or eat the next day. More you wait, the heavier the texture gets. So if you like that, I recommend waiting longer. Because this chocolate pudding is rich, I like eating it with fluffy whipped cream on top. And that's what we're gonna do today. They taste amazing together. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.